Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to share with you a free and simple backup, restore and migration WordPress plugin. Let's dive straight in. What you will need first is to install that plugin. The plugin is called WPvivid Backup plugin. And once you install it, you basically have to activate. When the activation is done, you are headed to this page. This is one of the plugins that I've come across and I found it so easy to just out of a click of a button you have your website backed up, and out of a click of a button you can restore your website. So from here I can basically just say backup. When I backup, it is basically backing up to my local host. By local host I mean to my server, to where my website is seated. Once I say backup, it backs up in a couple of minutes. So the time it takes to back up your website depends on how large your website is. So once here the progress is 100%, it will show us that now our backup is done. So I can just come down here and I see the backups that I have already, and this backup is on my server. I can just click over here to restore that backup. I can just click over here and download that backup on my computer. This is what I find so amazing and out of the box, that in just one click and I can just have my website backed up. But also you can schedule backups of this kind. You can enable and say every 12 hours I have my website backed up, every end of the day, and you can select what kind of files you want to back up. Is it on in a database or something like that? So among other things you can use this plugin for is one, like you can back up your website to a different live website. I mean, if for example you're building your website from a specific URL hosted somewhere different, but you want to deploy that same website to another live website which is on a live server, you can just use the auto migration feature of this plugin, and that way it is way easy. You don't have to download the backup and then upload the backup, which is pretty interesting. Remote storage, like I also told you, you can use this plugin to just back up your website to another platform, for example like Dropbox. What you just need to have is to sync your cloud platform with this plugin, and you just have it backed up in a couple of seconds. And the other thing is you can do a little bit of other tweaks here and there, but I find that this option of backing up in just a couple of seconds is really interesting and something you should check out. No headache, no pain, and the plugin is totally free. You can check it out and see if it can help you in your projects that you're working on, and test out some of these amazing features. Like I said, I just wanted to show you out of the box what you can do with this plugin, so I don't want to go into the nitty-gritties, but it would be very nice for you guys if you check it out, because I find it so interesting. And maybe in my next video I'll make a head-to-head with other backup plugins and you see how best this plugin is working on. So I hope that this video brought you a ton of value, and that now you can use this simple free plugin to move your websites from local host or to a live server, or from live server to your local computer. At the same time, you can use this plugin, like I said, to back up your websites to cloud platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox. So if you have any questions about this plugin, feel free to share with me in the comment box below. I'll be happy to respond and read them. And at the same time, if you like this video, please smash the like button. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.